Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate ESPN Plus on your smart Blu-ray player and link it to your account, follow these step-by-step instructions to stream live sports and exclusive content. Step 1. Turn on your smart Blu-ray player and ensure it's connected to your home network. Check your internet connection in the network settings if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Apps or Streaming Services section of your Blu-ray player's menu system. This is usually accessible from the main home screen. Step 3. Search for the ESPN app in the available applications. Use the search function or browse through sports and entertainment categories. Step 4. Download and install the ESPN app on your Blu-ray player. Wait for the installation process to complete before proceeding. Step 5. Open the ESPN app once it's installed. You'll see options to sign in or activate your device for ESPN+. Step 6. Select the Activate or Sign In option. An activation code will appear on your TV screen along with instructions. Step 7. Using a computer or mobile device, visit the ESPN activation website at espn.com/activate or the URL displayed on your screen. Step 8. Enter the activation code shown on your TV and sign in with your ESPN account. If you have ESPN Plus as part of a Disney bundle, use those credentials. Your Blu-ray player will refresh automatically and you can start streaming live sports and on-demand content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.